Your brain does not search for truth. It searches for comfort. Not because you are weak, not because you are lazy, but because your brain was designed to keep you alive, not to make you correct. Truth demands effort. Lies arrive ready-made, and your brain chooses what feels lighter. The human brain consumes nearly 20% of your body's energy, even while you sit still. Thinking is expensive. Complex truth requires doubt, correction, and emotional discomfort. Simple lies require nothing. Neuroscience shows your brain naturally avoids effort whenever possible. This is known as cognitive economy. The mind constantly looks for shortcuts, patterns, labels, stories that make the world feel predictable. A lie does exactly that. It compresses reality into something manageable. Truth does the opposite. It expands it into uncertainty. When people hear something that threatens their beliefs, the brain reacts the same way it does to physical danger. Brain scans show activation in the amygdala, the part responsible for fear. The body goes into defense mode. Heart rate rises. Stress chemicals increase. Not because the information is false, because it is destabilizing. Truth does not feel like learning. It feels like loss. Loss of identity, loss of certainty, loss of control. So the brain does what it evolved to do. It protects. And the easiest form of protection is denial. Researchers at MIT studied how information spreads online. Their finding was uncomfortable. False information spreads faster than truth. Not slightly, 6 times faster. Not because lies are shared by bad people, but because lies are simpler, more dramatic, and emotionally charged. The brain remembers stories better than data, and lies are emotional stories. Truth is often inconvenient. It lacks a villain, it lacks a hero. It is complex, and complexity feels dangerous. Once your brain accepts a belief, it becomes part of identity, not an idea, an extension of self. Psychologists call this cognitive dissonance. When reality clashes with belief, your brain does not update immediately. It resists, rejects, rationalizes. Not because you are unintelligent, but because being wrong feels like being threatened. The mind would rather defend a lie than dismantle itself. Here is the uncomfortable truth. The brain is not designed to seek reality. It is designed to seek emotional safety. That is why truth feels sharp and lies feel warm. And until you understand that, you will keep mistaking comfort for correctness.